Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to create Fiverr gig image. So let's get started. So first, of course, you just have to create your Fiverr account and then switch this to selling. Now, there are tons of ways on how to simply create your Fiverr gig image. So there are tons of ways on how to catch a customer or buyer's attention. Of course, first you have to select a gig title that effectively and clearly sums up your offerings. Compose a thorough gig description that covers all the essential information regarding your services. Select appropriate keywords for a title and description. Select eye-catching and pertinent gig photos that effectively portray your work and your skill, which is what we're going to do right now. Okay, so how to create a wonderful, fantastic, awesome, and a good Fiverr gig image. The very first thing to do is you have to ensure that gig photographs you upload are formatted and sized according to Fiverr's specifications. So all you have to do is to go to the site like and a big use about Fiverr gig image. As you can see, minimum Fiverr gig image size in 2024 and then maximum Fiverr gig image in 2024. So you will have the idea on what is the image photo or image size that you need in order for you to promote your product. And I'm going to promote Canva. So Canva is a free editing tool. So you can set up and customize your size here. For example, this one is for a specific image for my gig and Fiverr. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to create the design and then customize size and then enter the size of the product or Fiverr product image that you want to promote. So for example, you are offering a voice acting service. Okay, so editing or voice acting services. Now you can go to design and then look for sample templates for voice acting services or editing services. So for here, I look for business or let's just say voiceover. Actually, everything is up to you. You just have to enter the keyword here and you will see tons of templates that you can see here in Canva. The good thing about Canva is that you can simply edit the format here, such as the font, the color. You can also select bold, italic, underline. You can add effects and text. You can also change the position and change transparency. You can add elements by tapping elements. You can add arrows, circles, and other shapes. You can change the background color if you want. You can also add uploads here and draw. Also, you can add some applications here, especially if you want to promote also your Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts. So as you can see here, I'm editing or trying to create this image for my Fiverr gig using Canva. So I choose the perfect color for my banner or for my image. And let's just say this picture right here is you. So if you want to replace this with your exact face, then you just have to go to uploads and then upload your real face and then replace the face of this woman right here. Okay. So this is a sample professional voiceover artist for your project. I am a voice actor, and this one is like a tagline or something that can catch the attention of the buyer. Once done, click upload or download rather, and then look for PNG because this one is recommended. So once you have created your Fiverr image, you can now change or you can look for another size. For example, if you want the minimum, then this is the size of the minimum. For maximum, this is the size. So all you have to do is to copy this, go back to Canva, go to create design, and then enter the size of the image that you want to create or to promote in Fiverr. So this is the width and the height. Then click this create design here. Now go to design and then let's just say you're looking for a specific template for video editing or something related to video edit. Okay, so these are the samples of the template and that you can use, but take note you can't use a template here with a crown icon because that means you need to upgrade to Pro. So we have to look for something which is, of course, for free. So let's just say you're offering professional content writing services. So, for example, this one is the template that you have selected. You can change your image to be exact. For the meantime, let's just use this person's image. Okay, so you can change the color, you can change the format above. Okay, you can also change and click this bold right here and then add effects outline, change the background of the text to block or whatever color that you want. Okay, so yes, this is the good thing about Canva. This one is for free. You can easily change or add text. You can change the format. You can change the font. You can add elements like what I've said, shapes. You can add other elements such as a specific element. You can change or add a picture. Okay, you just have to upload a file right here. So let's just say you want to change your face. So you just have to upload file here, add your image, and then replace this person's face. If you want to add other social media image, then you can just simply search it up here. Then you will have the images of Instagram. You have the images of Facebook, Twitter, everything is up to you. Okay, or let's just say a specific place or specific image that you want. So all you have to do is to search it right here in this search box, and then you will see a different or tons of results according to the word that you have typed here. Okay, so let's just say you want to change, or this one is for video. Okay, so you want to promote this through a video. So as you can see here, I have created this video temporarily. I mean, I have downloaded this to a specific website. So let's just say this is the video that you have created in order for you to catch the attention of your clients or buyers. So you just have to drag it right here. Download and make sure that the file type is MP4. And then after that, you can now simply add this to your Fiverr or to your gig in your Fiverr. Another thing is that if you want to promote another services and you want to add your face, something like this. Okay, so you can simply look for another template again. So for example, professional content writing, but this time it's not video, it's just picture. So you can simply change that to this. Okay, and then add some text, change the font style, and then let's just say this is my face. So I have added my face. I just upload files and then add a space from my device. And then, yeah, do some editings here. You can add your email address or some information about you. And then click download. Okay, so after that, you have downloaded all of the image needed according to its size. So you can simply go to your Fiverr and upload this. So as you can see, there are tons of templates that you can use here in Canva. So for example, another services again, or I should say it's the same thing, professional content writing services, but you're going to use other template or you want to add other products here. So choose another template and then replace the face or the image of the person uh, from this person's face to your face. Okay, you can add email address here. You can add more, like for example, your address and so on. So this is what it looks like. You can change again the format by tapping the icons above, like effects, transparency, this A right here, which is the color, and so on. So once you're done with this, then again, you can tap the share, download, make sure that this PNG, because this one is adjusted. You can choose this and create or turn this, convert this into MP4. Everything is up to you. So once done, go back to your Fiverr, review everything here, your overview, your pricing, description, and FAQ. By the way, if you want to know more about this step by step, then you can easily visit our YouTube channel to see how to create Fiverr tutorials like that. Okay, how to set up your Fiverr gig. So all you have to do is to go to my channel. So this is your showcase section. You can showcase your services here in a gig gallery. So all you have to do is to click browse and then import the images or the videos that you have created in Canva. So here, make sure that this one is 75 seconds below and then 50 MB only. This is the example. And then for this one, images, you can promote images up to three. Okay, so let me add the images that I have created in Canva. So one, two, and three. Okay, and then actually you can delete and replace this anytime if you want by tapping this delete icon right here. Okay, and then lastly, below we have here the PDF. So you have to be sure that you have your product also in a PDF form because some of the clients they prefer to look or review a product in a PDF type. Okay, so once you're done with everything here, then all you have to do is to publish these images in Fiverr. Okay, so actually, this is just a basic tutorial on how to create a Fiverr gig image with the use of Canva. Okay, tap save and continue, and you will see the result right here. Okay, so you can add another or create a gig again, and then go back to Canva and then look for other designs. So actually, these are the wonderful templates, some of the wonderful templates in Canva. If you want to talk about marketing, or if you run a marketing agency, or let's just say you want to offer marketing agency services or marketing agency, something like that. If you want to offer services like setting up a YouTube channel or a website, then these templates are the best templates for you to promote in Fiverr. Okay, so for example, this one, all you have to do is to change the font, the pictures, the images, something like that, and then go back to Fiverr, click create a new gig here, and then set up your profile, overview, the pricing, and then add the images. Now, always remember that in the gig economy, freelancers and independent contractors are prospering in the gig economy by listing their skills on sites such as Fiverr, which is, of course, the reason why you will do everything to create a good image, to create a fantastic and captivating image using Canva in Fiverr. So, Fiverr is a platform that allows skilled people to show off their abilities and make connections with global clients. Having a professional and eye catching gig images, of course, will make your gig stand out thanks to Canva. So, from the competition is one of the most important things when trying to get clients on Fiverr. Canva is a very useful tool for creating an eye catching gig image. Canva is also a flexible graphic design tool that provides an easy to use interface, an extensive library of templates, and customization choices to help users create visually striking and captivating images. Another thing, users can produce a vast range of visual content on Canva because this one is a well known web based graphic design tool. You can create presentations, infographics, documents, posters, and social media graphics. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create Fiverr gig image. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.